if it takes away your peace, it might not be worth it. Yes, dadami pera mo sa bangko, makukuha mo yung promotion, but if it would disrupt your peace because alam mong hindi tama, maaring medyo illegal, immoral, unethical, you have to pass on it. Kasi yumaman ka nga, nakuha mo yung breakthrough, nakuha mo yung proposal, yung deal, pero at what cost? Your soul, your peace. Don't waste or sayangin yung integrity mo para sa isang temporary goal na ma-hit. Maaring baka pangarap mo yun, but do not compromise with shortcuts because you don't want every day na di-disrupt yung peace mo kasi you're looking at the back of your shoulder na baka mahuli ka rin eventually. Do things right, work hard, depend on the Lord. I believe in you, makukuha mo rin yan.